Alright, hey guys, so for this video, this is going to be for the DeeRC 50. This is not a GPS drone. It does have some tricks to it. It's got a small little camera. The camera is not controlled by the remote. It is hand adjustable. The controller is very simple. A lot of the functions are on the back. I'm going to show you those here in a second. We're going to go ahead and put this up and try and get some photos. I've already gone ahead and set the camera down at an angle as well. So first we are going to, real nice and simple, turn on the drone and turn on the controller. Now you'll see they're blinking. We need to get them paired. So we're going to pair with up and down, and now it's paired. And then for the calibration for the gyroscope, the headless mode button right here, you hold it down for a long beep and watch the lights. Let go of that. And that is now calibrated. And now we are ready to go ahead and take off. So I'm going to put the phone in the holster. Hang on one second. All right, there we go. And then bear with me for a moment. So it was one touch takeoff. And I'm still trying to get the videos the way that Ross keeps talking about the holster. See, and we're facing backwards right now, so we're going to turn around so we face forward. You know it's facing forward. Hang on, when you can see the white lights. Really, I'm holding the phone sideways this time, so it's a little bit different. And back up here. Whoop. Get away from the cars. All right, we're going to turn around and face the other way. We're going to go ahead. Now this only has a, now we have the different speeds, so we are going to put some higher speed on there. One moment. It's already trying to fly away on us. So our speed button is right here. And now we're in speed 2. And we got some wind blowing on it, so you can see it's blowing backwards. Bring it back in. All right. Increase the speed, so no issues there. And I mean, it handles well. Not having the GPS obviously makes a difference because it is not going to hold in place. You let go of the controls and the drone goes where it wants to, so you just have to be on the controls non-stop. All right, very good. So now I'm going to go ahead and switch off this video so I can get some pictures from the drone, and I will have those added into the video for you. Whoops, I hit the wrong button. I turned the controller off. It's not what I meant to do. I was trying to land the drone. One moment, and we're just going to go ahead and put it down right here. There's no traffic coming, so we're fine right here. All right, drone is down, and I'll show you guys some pictures. So the app we're in right now is called V Recorder, and this is what I use to film from the live. So hang on one moment. We're going to go ahead and get over here and switch out our Wi-Fi. Turn that off, and we want to get the Wi-Fi network on the phone. So we're going to pick up. We got the deer right there. Very good. We're connecting, and I've already downloaded the app as well. So we're done with that. Let's go back over here, and we'll connect only this time. All right, and then we got the Deer FPV, and